If you want a simple way to support collagen, smooth fine lines, and keep your skin firm as you age, these 5 seeds are some of the most effective foods you can add to your routine. Each one is packed with specific nutrients your body uses to build, protect, and maintain collagen naturally. 1. Pumpkin seeds. One of the best plant-based sources of zinc, a mineral your body needs to assemble collagen fibers. They also provide vitamin E to protect existing collagen, magnesium to calm inflammation, and plant protein for amino acids. Sprinkle them on meals or enjoy a small handful daily. 2. Chia seeds. Rich in omega-3s, zinc, and protein, these seeds deeply support hydration. When soaked, they form a gel that helps the skin stay plump, elastic, and moisturized from within. Add them to water, smoothies, or yogurt. 3. Flax seeds. Known for boosting skin elasticity thanks to their omega-3 fats and lignans, powerful antioxidants that protect collagen from damage. Grind them before eating to absorb their nutrients and mix into oats, salads, or smoothies. 4. Watermelon seeds. A collagen-boosting secret most people throw away. They contain magnesium, zinc, iron, and amino acids like arginine that support circulation, skin hydration, and collagen production. Lightly roast them for a crunchy, nutrient-dense snack. 5. Hemp seeds. A complete protein containing all essential amino acids, including the ones used directly to build collagen, glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. They also provide omega fats that strengthen the skin barrier. Add to toast, salads, or blend into smoothies.